Everyone, this is Meet, and today I'll be talking to you about the top 7 dramas that feature really strong female characters. Now, these dramas have really multi layered female characters, and I have noticed that this is a growing trend in Korean dramas. The earlier trend was of the females being cheerful, bubbly, and needing a knight in shining armor. Okay, but the women in these dramas are strong and they're powerful, they are intellectually strong, they are emotionally mature, and these are the women we'd like to be. These are the women maybe we already are. The trend in Korean dramas has gone from cheerful damsel in distress type of female leads to women who are the heroes of the series. The first drama in this list is Search WWW. This drama stars three female leads who are in rival IT companies and their stories. So these women deal with work, they deal with their personal lives, they develop friendships, they also develop rivalries very beautifully in a mature way without the cat fights. The next series is Hyena, and nothing I say about Hyena will ever be enough to give it enough credit, to give it enough praise. It's one of my favorite series. It features a very strong female lead, and the thing about this drama is that the male lead complements the female lead very well. The male character of the story complements the female character of this story very well. So this woman is not scared to go after what she wants. She's not always right in the method, but she gets what she wants. She's not the villain. She's more of a grey character, like I think all human beings. I think it was this series that made me realize that the trend in Korean dramas is changing, because she was such a strong female character. She's one of the strongest female characters in all Korean dramas, without being a villain, without being a revengeful mother, or without being a revengeful ex-girlfriend or something like that. Okay. So this is a very welcome trend and I fully support it. Fighting. Another thing about this drama Hyena is that drama actually gives the female lead or the actress the space, the lines, and the power to be the hero of the story. And the hero of the story, that is Joo Ji Hoon, he portrays his character quite well as a metrosexual man, while complementing the lead female lead's role. Just as how in the previous Korean dramas, female leads were a complement to the male leads. They were one of the lights being shown on the male lead to make him shine brighter. So in Hyena, this role to shine a light on the female lead, to show to show a facet of the female lead, this role is done by the male lead very well. So that is why this series is even stronger. The next series is When the Camellia Blooms. This series stars Gong Yoo Jin and Kang Han Yul. I've already reviewed this series. The thing about the story is that the male lead or the hero of the story actually likes the heroine, or actually likes the female lead, because he knows and acknowledges that she does not need him to save her. She does not need him as the knight in shining armor, or Prince Charming, whatever you prefer. So When the Camellia Blooms shows an orphaned single mother. So just imagine the level of strength that this character is going to show you. And the story also is obviously really nice because it's a romantic thriller. It's going to keep you involved till the end. And at the end, when they actually deal with the criminal, okay, that part is so amazing. I mean, when you watch it, you'll know what I'm talking about. You'll know female strength. You'll know what I'm talking about in this series. Okay. The next series is Crash Landing on You, or Cloy as it is lovingly called. It is one of the most famous Korean dramas on earth right now. It stars Hyun Bin and Son Ye Jin. Now, Hyun Bin has played his role really well. He's very famous for the series and all, but today we are talking about the female lead, Son Ye Jin. I was surprised that I included this drama in my list. At first glance, it is a romantic dramedy or romantic comedy, but it also has a very strong female lead. Yoon Se-ri, that is the character played by Son Ye Jin. She plays the role of an independent, filthy rich chaebol, but she's a self-made chaebol. She's part of a rich family, but she's self-made. She's strong, she has contacts, she does all the things that a filthy rich hero of a Korean drama does. So that makes her the hero of this series. In this series, like, it shows you that sometimes strength is not being powerful and getting what you want. Sometimes it is also knowing when to let go and when to hold on. The last series is Tell Me What You Saw. I'm currently watching this. It has two female leads and one male lead. There is no romance in this drama, like literally no romance, other than in flashback some tragic story. The two female leads of this drama, which they star as a team leader and a detective. Now these two women star opposite the male lead. Now who's the male lead? Jang Hyuk. Now Jang Hyuk is like such a huge star, and in front of these two women, like the story is focused on them. You'll think about them. You'll not be thinking about Jang Hyuk. His character is really well made, and such a lot of enigma and mystery to his character, but still you'll focus on the two female leads. This drama shows the two women as part of the police before being women, and I think that is why they shine. That is why they come across as such strong characters. Okay, there's a really long list of dramas that have female characters, and Korean dramas, though not very frequent, have been doing strong female characters from a very long time. The frequency has increased nowadays, and which is a very, very welcome trend. I really hope to watch more and more dramas that have strong female leads. I really look forward to dramas that have strong female leads. This was my list about strong female leads, which I have repeated more than 10 times in this video. Okay, but anyway, so I hope you like this list, and I'll see you next time. So bye, annyeong.